It is finally time to get rid of this because I just got one of these. Since it doesn't have one of these, it will never lose suction power simply because it doesn't have centralized filter system. So it doesn't lose power suction at all. It's got an easy remove bin. You can put a trash bag in it, or if you want, you can leave as it is. All you have to do to clean, just suck up some water and just dump that out. Or taking out the leaf blower to clean this. You can store hose super easily. You just latch it here and that's it. It comes with a wet mess tool to clean up some wet. It also comes with a crevice tool, an extra large bare floor brush, 3 extension attachment. Save your back. Honestly, this is usually double the price in big stores. Here's a picture for proof. And QVC is having insane liquidation deals on these. So I bought another 2 sets for my whole family. If you want to get these before they run out stock, because QVC, they never stock when they sell out. I'll leave the link right there on the video.